Sanskrit Sloka recitation by our tiniest scholars from grade 1 and grade 2.
Oh, are you ready, Susanna?
Yes, Likit, I am. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अर्जुन विषादयोगः प्रथमोऽध्यायः। धृतराष्ट्रोवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किं कुर्वत सञ्जय। Dhritarashtra said, "O Sanjay, after gathering on the holy field of Kurukshetra and deciding to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do?" Sanjay uvacha, "Vatu Pandavanekam Yudam Duryodhanastada Acharyam Kasangamya Raja Vachanamabravit." The meaning of the sloka is, Sanjay said, on observing the Pandava army standing in military formation, King Duryodhana approached his teacher Dronacharya and said the following words: "Vachetam Pandaputranam Acharya Mahati Jamot Yuram Drupata Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata." The meaning of the sloka is, Duryodhana said, "Teacher, look, the big army of the Pandavas is ready for the battle. It was arranged by your small student, son of Drupad, Akshashura Maheshwasa, Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi, Yuyudhano Viratasya, Drupadasya Maharataha." The meaning of the sloka is, there are many strong fighters in their army. They have brave warriors like Yudhan, Virat and Drupad. They can use big bows and very strong like Bhima and Arjun. Dishtuketu Chekitanaha Kashi Rajasya Viryavan Kurudit Kunti Bodasya Chabhyastra Narapangavaha. The meaning of the sloka is, there are other heroes too like Dishtuketu, Chekitana, the king of Kashi, Purujit, Kuntiboj and Shabhya. They all are good and brave men. Yudhamanyusya Vikranta, Uttamaudasya Viryavan, Saubhatro Draupadirasya, Sarva eva Maharataha. The meaning of the sloka is, they also have Yudhamanya, Uttamauja, the son of Subhadra and the sons of Draupad. All of them are great warriors. Asmakam tu sistaye tani bodha vidodama nayaka mama saryasya sanyatam dandamite. The meaning of the sloka is, dear teacher, listen. I will tell you about the important leaders on our side who are very good at leading. Bhavan Bhishmasya Karnasya Krupasya Samatindraya Ashwadhama Vikarnasya Saumadadhistataivacha. The meaning of the sloka is, they are very strong and brave people like you, Bhishma, Karna, Krupa, Ashwadhama, Vikarna and Purishputwara. They are all very good at fighting. Anyecha Bahava Shura Madhye Sattagivitaha Nana Shastra Pranalaha Sarve Yuga Visaradaha. The sloka is, there are many brave soldiers. They are ready to protect their leader. They know how to fight and they have many different weapons. Thank you.
What an amazing performance, right, Susanna?
Yes, Likith, but wait. Full picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
What, really?
Presenting a breathtaking sloka recitation by our grade 2 students.
तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. अर्जुन विषाद योगः प्रथमोऽध्यायः. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितम्. पर्याप्तं त्रिदमे देशं बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्. The meaning of the sloka is Duryodhana said to Dronacharya, our army is big and strong. Grandfather Bhishma leads us. Their army is small. We lead them. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yata bhagavamasitaha Bhishma deva virakshantu pavantaha sarvayevahi. The meaning of the sloka is Duryodhana asked all the army leaders to help Grandfather Bhishma and in their places to protect them. Tasya sanchalayan harsham Kururudraha pitamaha Simhanadam vinadvachai Shankam dharma pratapahan. The meaning of this sloka is Grandfather Bhishma blew his conch shell very loudly. This made Duryodhana happy. Tadashankasya bheyasya panavanaka gomukaha samasaivabhyahanyanta sasaddastu bullo bhavat. The meaning of the sloka is when people blew their conch shell and played big drums and horns. All their sounds together were very, very loud. Tadashvete ayendukte mahati skandane stitau madava pandava shaiva divyo shaikto pradhanmatu. The meaning of the sloka is Krishna and Arjuna sat in a shining chariot with white horses. They both blew their big conch shells. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjayaha Paurudharmo Mahashankam Bhimakarma Rukodaraha. The meaning of the sloka is Krishna blew his conch called Panchajanya. Arjuna blew his conch called Devadatta. Bhima blew his big conch called Paura. Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putra Yudhishthara Nakula Samadevasya Subhosha Mani Pushpakau. The meaning of the sloka is Yudhishthira blew his conch shell, Nakula and Sahadeva also blew their conch shells. Kashyasya parameswata Shikandi cha maharataha Dushtarjanmo viratasya Shachakishya parajitaha Dvipado draupadeyasya Sarvashabhupiripade Sauvadrasya mahabahu Shankan dharmo prutak prutak. The meaning of the sloka is many other heroes like the king of Kashi, Shikandi, Rishujimo, Virat, Sachaki and Drupad. The five sons of Draupadi and Abhimanyu also blew their conch shells. Thank you.